chuối. 1, 2, 3, go!
Free walking tour with local students. A free walking tour in Ho Chi Minh City is an exciting and cost-effective way to explore the beauty and uniqueness of this dynamic city. During this tour, you will have the opportunity to enjoy the fresh atmosphere of bustling streets and immerse yourself in the daily life of local residents. The program is guided by dedicated local students with some knowledge of the city's unique history and culture. You will be taken to famous landmarks such as Independence Palace, Reunification Palace, Central Post Office, Opera House, Notre Dame Cathedral, City Hall, Bitexco Tower, the tallest building in Ho Chi Minh City for a panoramic view of the city, a secret tunnel in the city center to taste Vietnamese coffee, or Jade Pagoda with many large statues made from paper, all filled with history and art. Or, you can explore vibrant shopping areas like Ben Thanh Market, Saigon Square, the fashionable streets of Nguyen Tre, Shoe and Boot Streets, and the Lantern Market. Get ready to discover special moments and learn about the daily life of people in the old quarters, where you can taste delicious street food specialties. Whether you are a budget traveler or simply seeking an exciting and intimate experience with local culture, the free walking tour in Ho Chi Minh City will provide you with a comfortable feeling and an interesting perspective on the life and people of the city. Join us with our students to discover and experience the unique beauty of Saigon. WhatsApp or Facebook message. Click now to contact Lee Hogen. Email lee.tourguideinsaigon@gmail.com or WhatsApp at +84908-224-360 or reach out to him on Facebook through the Lee Hogen Tourguideinsaigon.
Think about free walking tour?
I think it's very informative and very interesting because I've learned a lot from you about your culture, and I've seen a lot of different places, all these historical, beautiful places.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay guys, so after the whole tour into this with us, so in sketch and how many points are you gonna give us?
11 out of 10.
11? That's so good, guys. Yeah, so I asked this guy already, so I have one really important question. Do you come back to eating out?
Definitely.
Thank you so much, guys.
Only if you're our tour guides.
That's so lovely. Okay.
Hello, can I introduce you a little bit? So how can you know us? How can you know me?
I found you on Facebook, one of the Vietnamese travel guides.
So what do you think about our tour today?
It's been amazing, it's been a lot of fun, and it's been really good to see District 1.
Yes, thank you so much.